What if one of America's toughest trucks from the 1950s returned with a bold futuristic design? Imagine the legendary 1959 GMC Cannonball Detroit transformed into a stunning modern machine while keeping its classic soul alive. Massive chrome details, a powerful stance, brilliant red paint, and advanced technology all come together to create a truck that looks ready for tomorrow without forgetting its past. The 1959 GMC Cannonball was built during an era when trucks were made to work hard every single day. They hauled heavy loads, crossed long highways, and earned a reputation for strength and reliability. Today, automotive designers and classic truck fans love imagining what this icon would look like if it were redesigned with modern engineering and luxury. In this video, we're exploring exactly that futuristic vision. Exterior. The futuristic 1959 GMC Cannonball Detroit keeps its classic boxy shape but adds sleek LED headlights, a bold illuminated GMC grille, and a muscular front bumper. The shiny red paint reflects every light in the showroom, making the truck look both elegant and powerful. Large alloy wheels, wide performance tires, smooth body lines, and chrome accents create a perfect balance between vintage style and modern luxury. Every angle reminds you of the original truck while showcasing an exciting vision of the future. Interior. Inside, the transformation is even more impressive. Premium leather seats, soft touch materials, digital displays, and customizable ambient lighting replace the simple cabin of the original truck. A large touchscreen controls navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, premium surround sound, wireless charging, and a fully digital instrument cluster make every drive comfortable and enjoyable. Despite all the modern technology, classic GMC-inspired dashboard styling gives the cabin a nostalgic feel. Performance. Imagine this futuristic Cannonball powered by a modern 6.2-liter V8 engine producing over 420 horsepower, paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. An optional all-electric version could deliver instant torque, silent acceleration, and an impressive driving range while maintaining incredible towing capability. Adaptive suspension, multiple driving modes, advanced braking systems, and all-wheel drive would provide confidence on highways, city streets, and rough terrain. Safety and technology. Safety is another area where this futuristic truck shines. It could feature adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, 360-degree cameras, parking assist, and advanced driver assistance systems. With over-the-air software updates and smart connectivity, the truck would always stay current with the latest technology. Conclusion. The 1959 GMC Cannonball Detroit represents one of America's hard-working truck legends. Reimagining it as a futuristic luxury truck proves that classic designs never truly go out of style. It perfectly blends heritage, strength, comfort, and innovation into one unforgettable vehicle. Whether you're a collector, a truck enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates timeless automotive design, this futuristic Cannonball is a vision worth admiring. If this truck ever became reality, it would undoubtedly become one of the most exciting classic modern pickups ever created.